This is the washing machine method for dyeing with red. You can use a top loader or a front loader. I've already pre-washed my towels. They're wet in the machine, ready to go. Next, set your water temperature to the hottest possible setting. Add a bottle of red dye mixed with hot water into the soap dispenser, and then start your washing cycle. 10 minutes into the cycle, add 1 cup of salt diluted with hot water. After the cycle has completed, rewash the towels with detergent, and after they're finished, put them in the dryer, and here's your beautiful Kelly Green wet towels.